Hello, this is Samachir Kalvi Grade 8 Geography New Book Unit 2 Weather and Climate. Before getting inside the lesson, let us see what is weather. Weather is a day-to-day condition of the atmosphere at any place as regards sunshine, temperature, cloud cover, wind, fog condition, air pressure, humidity and such other elements. What is climate then? The average atmospheric conditions are determined by measuring the weather elements for a long period of time, which is usually for 35 years. Controlling factors of weather and climate. These are the factors control the weather and climate. Angle of the sun's rays, altitude, air pressure, wind and motion current. Elements of weather and climate. Temperature, rainfall, pressure, humidity, wind. Let us see one by one. First, temperature. What is temperature? Temperature is one of the key elements of the weather and condition. The temperature influences the level of humidity, the process of evaporation, condensation, etc. Factors affecting the distribution of temperature, latitude, altitude, nature of land, ocean currents, prevailing winds. Measuring temperature. Temperature is measured in scales like Celsius, Fahrenheit and Kelvin. Heat zones on the earth. Based on the heat received from the sun, earth is divided into 3 heat zones. They are torrid, temperate zone, frigid zone. See children, we all know this 0 degree latitude is equator. From the equator to Tropic of Cancer to Tropic of Capricorn, we are calling it as a torrid zone. From the Tropic of Cancer to 66 1 by 2 degree north, we are calling it as a temperate zone as it is Tropic of Capricorn. This South Pole and North Pole, we are calling it as a frigid zone. Next, rainfall. Generally, rainfall is high in equatorial region and decrease gradually towards the pole. Rainfall is measured by rain gauge. Air pressure. Air pressure, the weight of the air above the given area on the earth's surface is called atmospheric pressure or air pressure. Based on the level of pressure, it is categorized into low pressure and high pressure. The air pressure is measured by aneroid barometer. Humidity. Humidity refers to the degree of water vapor present in the atmosphere. Humidity is measured by hydrometer. Wind. The horizontal movement of air is called wind. Vertical movement of air is said to as air current. The winds move from high pressure to low pressure area. The wind system are broadly categorized into 3 as follows: planetary winds, seasonal winds, low winds. Planetary winds are the ones which blow almost in the same direction throughout the year. Seasonal winds are those which change their direction according to season in a year. What is this local winds? Are the winds blow over a small area only during a particular time of a day or short period of the year. The wind speed is measured by anemometer. I hope you understood this lesson. Thanks for watching.